I look like a mess. My room probably looks like a mess. And I probably sound like a mess. That is because I am sick, quite literally a day out from leaving to Japan. Now, I wanted to use my like fancy camera and all that stuff, but I have all of that packed, so... Even though I cut it for the trip. Oh. Yes, you do. Yes, you need a haircut, Josh.
I think we gotta go to Japan.
We're here. I'm feeling a little shitty, but that's okay. What? Wow! Corolla! Corolla! I don't know where we're going, but we're just going. Need a parent?
I need a parent. I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh shit. Alright guys, I haven't really done an intro thing yet. I'm sick as fuck right now. They're doing special. He's chilling over there. We're in fucking Japan. Sick as fuck in Japan, but we're in Japan. We just came back from Skytree. Huh?
We should go to sauna.
Oh
no,
yeah.
That is literally why I
How much?
Shit.
How far is it? How many steps? No, I told him.
Don't feel good, huh?
You want to go over the back, bro. I saw that shit.
Hey.
I have to breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh.
Breathe.
What the hell? Oh my god! Oh, you put that on his back.
Bro. Hey, get I've never heard it that. Hey, breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh, there you go. We are currently at Kameado Station. We're gonna go into here and look for things. Oh yeah, Brendan. Oh yeah. Alright, so it's kind of starting to rain. Josh looks like he's in a day drama right now. Sorry, he did some damage. I also did some damage.
That doesn't matter.
Whose is this?
That's not me.
Oh.
I'm just holding it for
It's actually feeling colder out here. We're gonna go eat somewhere, and I'll update you when we're back. Alright, fuckers. We are going to Akihabara today, and yeah, we're originating Christian over there. I'm gonna try to buy another SD card and a couple of other things. Yeah, come with us. I'll be switching from this and my other camera. Stop, Josh. Get away. Get away. It's a personal part, bro.
I can see myself.
Yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna let you do that shit. Anyway, we'll be there. I have my other camera. I gotta buy another mini SD. You have 9,000.
Awkward.
What the hell?
Wanna open it?
Can I open it?
Yeah. Oh,
Is that a Voltor?
Yeah.
okay.
You heard that? Come on.
Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. What'd you get, bro? What'd you get, bro?
See what I got. Okay, I think I know that set. Promo card is. Ooh!
Wow.
Look at that. I got that dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me. Hold on.
Menubata.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit. Oh.
Oh, I mean, you know. Hey, that's pretty good though.
That is pretty good.
I think that was good.
We should hold the speaker real close.
The train.
Friend Auntie Habara. We've made it.
Watashi wa kingo kiresu.
What does that mean?
I'm hungry.
Oh.
RG has to pee.
Oh god. We walked into the wrong place.
Oh no.
Bro, no way they got the pulsar mouse pads too.
Oh no, I want it. Oh, it's a wide grip. It's super oh Jesus. I would buy I actually would want the wider one. Oh, oh, it's so creamy. Oh, it's so creamy. It's creamy. Creamy. Oh my god. Bro. This is a bad place to be. Open up. Open.
Really?
Oh, that clicking is kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie.
Feel the mouse pad. Feel it just.
Oh. Oh.
See, this is why.
Dude, this looks wild. So chat, we were in this building for like 3 hours. Look at all that. Look at that. There's stuff in his bag. We were in there for a while. It's bad. Yeah. But now these cars are sick. No, you say it to your camera. You're gonna say it to your camera. No. Don't listen to this guy behind the camera. No, he's weird. He's a weird guy, this guy. This guy right here. He does illegal things. This guy.
He's just illegal.
Yeah, he's. Oh wow, that's crazy. I'm gonna do a little. The lighting is kind of harsh. I don't know if I'm even allowed to film here, but we went to this temple thing. There's pictures on my Instagram that you guys will probably see. What's that?
What's up, man?
It's really gorgeous. We're taking a sat. We really found this place. I don't know if I'm allowed to film here, so I'm doing this really slowly. And Jean got some photos too of this
Oh,
place.
you want to see my pickers?
Yeah, let's see some of that picker.
We got the
that's
picker.
pretty. That is so pretty.
The picker.
That is so pretty.
Pickers.
So picker. And oh my god, that's crazy. Look at this, guys. Oh my lord. I mean, I feel like so touristy doing this. It's so pretty. Picker? Oh, no. Oh god. Yes. 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 Nice one.
Hey, Regina, film this. Put your camera there.
What, oh my god. He's holding my hand.
Oh my god.
Bro,
related.
Minasan konnichiwa.
That's really pretty.
Wow, Sakura desu. Today is Sakura? Wait.
That's nice. It's really pretty. Thank you, Osaka. Osaka. Thank you, Tokyo. Now we're going to Osaka. Christ. Oh my god. This is Tokyo train station, and it's full. Oh my god. Berto, what you doing over there?
I'm in Dexter's laboratory.
Day.
Hopefully the Japanese start doing this after they see me do this.
Oh, that's crazy, Brendan. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, yeah. I haven't even had the lemon thing yet.
And you mixed it in with that?
Yeah. It tastes pretty good. What?
I'm still working on this.
You're so
Yeah.
fucking welcome.
I
Did you find any Baki? No, I'm not gonna go. Huh?
As they treat you or kill.
Yeah. I know he's like a side
Yes.
character.
Oh, sorry, I'm stretching before I go, bro.
That's smart.
Yeah, brother should stretch me again.
You guys friends. We're doing a pyramid.
Are you stretched out? You stretched out, bro?